Which one is the most balanced SUV in the Volkswagen Group? The sporty and dynamic SEAT Ateca, or the refined and practical Škoda Karoq? Today, we're comparing these two brothers from the same family, analyzing every detail: design, performance, interior, technology, and price. By the end, you'll know which one truly deserves your driveway. Right from the first look, these two SUVs express totally different personalities. The SEAT Ateca is sharper, more aggressive, and built with a sportier soul. Its angular headlights, bold front grille, and wider stance give it a youthful and energetic look. Especially in the FR and Xperience trims, Ateca looks ready to attack the road. The Škoda Karoq, on the other hand, goes for a calmer, more elegant approach. Its crystal-shaped LED headlights, subtle chrome accents, and smoother lines make it feel sophisticated and mature. In short, the Ateca is for the driver who loves excitement. The Karoq is for the driver who values comfort and class, power and performance. Both SUVs share the same MQB platform, and many of their engines are identical. The most popular options include 1.5 TSI with 150 horsepower, 2.0 TDI with 150 or 190 horsepower, paired with the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. But here's where the difference begins. The Ateca has a sportier suspension setup and a tighter steering response. It feels more connected to the road. On twisty roads or in city driving, it's more dynamic and fun to drive. The Karoq, meanwhile, focuses on comfort. Its steering is lighter, and the suspension is softer, making it perfect for long-distance drives and daily commutes. So, one gives you excitement, the other gives you peace. Interior and technology step inside, and their personalities continue to differ. The Ateca features a driver-focused cockpit. The center console is slightly angled towards the driver, adding that sporty feel. It comes with a 9.2-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Material quality is solid, but the Karoq feels slightly more premium. The Škoda Karoq focuses on practicality and clever design. Its interior feels calm, ergonomic, and well-built. And then comes Škoda's famous Simply Clever features: hidden storage spaces, removable VarioFlex rear seats, and smart everyday solutions that truly make life easier. Here, the Karoq wins in practicality, but Ateca wins in driver engagement and design. Safety and driving systems. Both SUVs have achieved 5-star Euro NCAP safety ratings and include plenty of advanced systems: adaptive cruise control, front assist, lane assist parking sensors, and rear camera. However, the Karoq often includes more driver assist tech in its higher trims. Features like traffic jam assist, blind spot detect, and rear cross traffic alert are more widely available. Price and verdict. Their prices in Europe are very close. SEAT Ateca from around 31,000 euros to 38,000 euros. Škoda Karoq from around 32,000 euros to 40,000 euros. The Ateca is usually slightly cheaper, but it gives you a more emotional, sporty drive. The Karoq costs a bit more, but delivers superior comfort and family practicality. If you love driving feel, sharp handling, and a sportier look, go for the SEAT Ateca. But if you want comfort, refinement, and smart usability, the Škoda Karoq is the wiser choice. They share the same DNA. But while the Ateca is the sporty brother, the Karoq is the calm and clever one. In the end, the best SUV depends on your driving style and personality.